Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami snake. And it works like this. First of all, you have to take a piece of any type of sheet. You may take a glass paper or a simple computer page of the given measurements, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Open the fold and then from the other side repeat the step and press it. Now, towards the middle point, fold it from both the sides and press. Again folding it towards the middle crease and press it. Repeating the steps, press them well so that they may not open when held back. Alright, now open the fold, fold the edge, like this, and continuously repeat the steps. Now form the body of the snake, fold it like this towards the bottom and press it well. Forming the shape, press it like this. Alright. This structure will be helpful in making the shape of the snake's head like this and press it well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated and receive all the notifications of the videos uploaded latestly. Now, give the curves of the body to the snake and press them well. Add some details to the snake so that it may look elegant and realistic, like this. Attach a tongue and two eyes so that it may catch its prey. Form details in the eyes section, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.